Hey third grade, today we are making snowflakes. We have been asked to help make snowflakes for the downtown central office so we can decorate for Christmas, and we need to get those prepared now. So here is a very fast example of how to make a snowflake, and I will walk you through this process step by step in just a moment. Take your paper and fold it toward the middle and crease it. You will have a portion that we are going to cut off. Once you crease it, we are going to cut off the side. It will be a triangle, so you will need to see a triangle on your paper. When you open it up and close it, it needs to look just like this. We are going to cut off this side portion using our scissors. So take your scissors and cut off the overlap, the overhang on the side. You will want to be left with a triangle. So now that you have your triangle, you are going to fold your paper again, this time making another triangle. And crease on the side. So this is what you should have. Now take the corner and fold it in and up. Crease with your hand. Now take the other side and you're going to cross it over. So fold it down. And now take the side hanging over and fold it across. Now, on the top, where you see those arrows pointing up, we're going to cut that top part off. So just so you know, it's folding it over. And take your scissors and we're going to cut this top portion off. You can cut at an angle or straight across, it doesn't matter. And take that portion out of the way. And what you have remaining, you are going to cut a design inside of what's remaining. So you can cut a circle, a triangle, you can do little lines, you can switch sides, you can cut the end off. So just practice cutting into what you have left. Any edge you can cut into. So any side, any corner, any portion of that. You can take any part of it out with using scissors. And no snowflake will look the same. Now open it up. Once you're done cutting, we'll open it up and see what design you have. Voila!